Hello for this. On today's episode of our Ramadan series, we'll be making this lush, yummy naan bread. I actually paired mine with this yummy buttered chicken. You can pair yours with whatever you want. Let's dive in. So in a bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, yeast, sugar, and then give everything a good stir. Add in your water. I use normal room temperature water, vegetable oil, and yogurt. Form a dough with this and then drizzle some oil on top and cover and allow it to double in size. So after that, you're going to deflate the air and then cut it into the desired number of bread you want. I cut mine into 8 pieces. You can do 10, 12, depending on how big or how small you want it to be. Now you're going to mold that into a ball and roll it flat, just like that. So after doing this, you're going to lightly grease your frying pan with oil or butter and then add in your roll dough. Give it some minutes, and then flip to the other side to cook. Now brush some butter on top. Do that for the other side, and your naan bread is ready. This was so soft and yummy. Will you like my butter chicken recipe? If yes, comment down below. I shall like. Yeah.